Hi guys, thank you for being here. I appreciate it. Today I have a special treat for you. I'm at my mom's house and she's making one of our family favorite dishes called Pancit. And I'm going to record the steps she's doing to make it because I've actually never made it myself. That way we all have it on video. So let's turn. Mom, this is my beautiful mother. So you are doing, she's chopping up garlic right now. And then are you gonna chop up red pepper after?
Onions.
Okay, but is that going in there, the red pepper? Okay, so she's chopping up some garlic. We'll be back with some more ingredients. Okay, so we have a red onion. She's gonna chop that up also. You put the whole thing in there too. She finished cutting up the red pepper. It smells so good in here already, Mom.
Huh?
It smells so good in here already. Okay, so she's gonna tell us about the meat part that she's gonna start cooking.
2 packages of boneless pork.
Okay.
You chop it this little. Now I'm ready to fry it.
Okay.
And I sold it, salt and pepper.
And just so everyone knows, this makes a lot, right? So 2 packages. And then, how much garlic did you?
I think I put like 8 garlic here.
8 garlics? Okay. So she's gonna start cooking this, right, in the wok?
Yeah.
Okay, that's the next step.
No, wait, no, I'm gonna cook this first.
Right. What I said. Okay, we'll be back. Okay, so she's sauteing it right now, or cooking it up. She just poured a little bit of water, like what, like a 1/4 cup? Or less?
1/4 cup.
Okay.
So when it's
And what'd you put, salt and pepper?
Yeah.
Okay. You're just cooking it till it's brown?
Yeah, and when it starts to dry, you put olive oil.
When it starts drying up, you put a little olive oil?
Olive oil, yeah.
How much?
Probably 1/4 cup.
Okay. Okay.
Garlic first.
She's putting the garlic in there in the big wok.
Where's my oil? I forgot my oil.
She's adding a little bit more oil to saute.
Saute that.
Or a lot. Okay, now she's adding onion. That medium red onion. I love the smell of garlic and onion.
There, see, it's perfect.
I'm just going to saute that for a couple minutes. Okay, so she already pre-cut these. This is snow peas that she cut. I don't know if you guys can see it, like kind of cut in little strips, thin strips in an angle. And then, what did you say, 4 carrots?
4 carrots.
4 carrots cut like that. And then about 5 stalks of celery, also cut like so. So she already pre-did that.
So
she's going to throw that in here in just a second.
This is it next in.
Oh, and okay. So now she's throwing the meat in there. Oh, yum.
Then I add water to this.
You add water to the wok? Oh, to the pan.
For the flavor.
Oh, to get some of
that flavor.
So it looks like she added about 1/4 of a cup or more. Let me see. About 1/2 cup of water to the pan that she cooked the meat in. And you're going to pour that in there at some point?
When I got the noodles in.
Okay. It's a process, guys, but it's so delicious. Great job, Mom. Okay, she's also putting some shrimp in there. And what are they, like medium size?
Yeah. And then you put...
And we're thinking about...
And then soy sauce.
There's probably like 24 of them in there.
Where's my soy sauce?
Okay, and now she's putting how much soy sauce?
Just to cover it up.
Just to cover it?
Yep.
I'm trying to eyeball it.
There you go.
Okay. I'd say more than 1/4 of a cup, less than 1/2. She's too fast, you guys. Okay, so she poured in the shrimp.
The whole 24 shrimp.
The wok is dancing. It's so happy.
What?
The wok is dancing. It's so happy.
Come on, how come they're frozen?
Okay.
There you go.
So she's going to mix that up together. All right. So she's just scraping up the yummy bits And then she's gonna pour it in here. Here it comes. Beautiful. So she's now putting in all the vegetables I showed you guys earlier. She's gonna stir those in. Looks so good and smells so good already.
Hey, hon.
Hey guys, so these are the noodles that you use. They're just really skinny noodles.
Marceline.
Vermicelli. And we're using 2 packages, looks like. Yeah?
Yeah, for this big of a walk.
Okay, but first she's gonna soak them.
Yes.
And for how long? Just soak them in some water.
How long do you...
Maybe 10 minutes.
10 minutes to soak them? Okay. Okay, so this is just kind of like lukewarm water.
Yeah.
And it's rice noodles, the vermicelli. So she's gonna open up the other package and soak them just for 10 minutes. Not too much longer because then I guess they turn to paste and then it's useless. So you don't wanna soak them too long. Okay, so mom's just cutting them. So they're in smaller. There we go.
They're easier to manage when you're eating.
Yes. Easier to manage when you're eating. Just randomly.
And there we got 2 packages.
2 packages. Makes a lot. Okay, so they're done soaking. She's putting them in a strainer just so we can transfer them over to the wok. And then we're going to add some soy sauce and green onion. And is that it, Mom?
Yeah.
It's coming together. I think the most work is all the chopping.
Look like they don't have enough pancit then. Huh.
That's a lot. Hey, here they come.
There you go.
Wow.
Well, let's put it back on number 5. Then to do this,
I turned up the heat a little bit for you.
yeah,
Okay.
and then start using this.
Soy sauce. Do you know how much you put in here?
Not just until it's brown.
Classic.
That's him.
Classic mothers that don't have measurings. They just
That's right.
eyeball it, and it's always perfect.
Depending on some pneumatic thing that might fail at any time, you know? Yeah. Well, pacemakers have been around for a long time. Yeah.
We love La Choy soy sauce. It's kind of hard to find, but
It is.
we love La Choy
I
soy
saw
sauce.
some in Mountain Home.
Oh, did you? Okay,
And internet that
I'll be back.
$10 about.
Okay, now she's cutting up. You're doing a whole bunch, like a whole bunch of.
All the way to here.
Okay, she doesn't use the white part. You just go right about right here. And that whole package, this whole bunch, right?
Yeah.
Okay. And then you guys, I gotta do some more stirring. She's probably gonna add some more soy sauce. Okay, she added a little bit more soy sauce and about a tablespoon or 2 of water and some accent. Probably good. A couple teaspoons of accent.
I think this might be good, honey.
Really? So that's it for the soy sauce? It was only about 1/4 cup.
I know, but I don't want it to be salty.
Okay.
So you want some more of it?
No, I mean, you tasted it. You know. I've never made it. But it's so delicious.
I know. Here comes the good part.
Oh, and here comes the green onions. So good.
It's Tim's part.
So delicious. Mom, that's it.
All right.
Thank you for showing us.
Yeah, you're
We
welcome.
appreciate it.
Thank
We
you
love
for-
you.